A county clerk was supposed to use randomness to assign the order in which candidates' names appeared on voting ballots. Among 44 different ballots, Democratic candidate names were placed on the first line 37 times. The probability of a result that high is 0.0000026499791. Now, assuming randomness was used, is the result of 37 Democratic candidate names being placed on the first line significantly low, significantly high, or neither? Okay, so to answer at the very end of the question, it says having X successes among N trials is a significantly high number of successes if the probability of X or more successes is unlikely, with a probability of 0.05 or less. Now, similarly, having X successes among N trials is a significantly low number of successes if the probability of X or fewer successes is unlikely, with a probability of 0.05 or less. So in this context, it says, what is a success? And so a Democratic candidate named being placed first on the ballot. So we want to determine the value of X. Well, the number of successes is X is equal to 37. A trial is the number of ballots. And so to determine the value of N, it's the number of trials, where N is equal to 44. Now, if we take a look at the probability of 0.0000026499791, okay, this is going to represent the probability of at least 37 successes in 44 trials. And this probability is less than or equal to 0.05. So to answer the first question, it says the probability of the result of 37. If we compare this number to 0.05, it is less than or equal to. It's less than 0.05. And if we take a look at the result of 37 over 44, you can see here, and let me do that here, and that 37 divided by 44 gives us 0.84. Well, this is much higher than what is expected, because this is about 84%. And that's much higher than with randomness. Okay, so the result, again, is much higher than what is expected with randomness. Now we need to come back up here and determine, okay, well, what is the result? What was the result of 37 out of 44? Well, we would say that it was significantly high because it was a higher probability.